How to add bold text in Instagram caption. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add bold text in your Instagram caption. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your phone and search for IG fonts. Then after you search for IG fonts, you have to go to this website igfonts.io. Then here, once you're in the website, here in the top you have to write the text you want to write in your Instagram caption. Then after writing, here you will see all of the types of fonts. So here scroll down and here is the bold font. So copy this text and after copying, open your Instagram, create a post. And here in the caption, paste that text. Now here you can see that this text is in bold format. So if I write in the normal, this is the normal font and this is the bold font. And so this is how you can add bold text in your Instagram captions. Thanks for watching.